In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to void an invoice in Xero, a vital skill for managing your finances efficiently. Let's dive right in and navigate this process step by step to ensure you can perform this task easily. First, make sure you're logged into your Xero account and are comfortably situated in the Xero dashboard. Once there, direct your attention to the Sales menu on the main dashboard interface and click on it. From the drop-down, select Invoices. This will bring up a list of all the invoices you've processed or need to process. Once you're on the invoice page, you'll need to locate the Awaiting Payment tab. This is where all your unpaid invoices are conveniently stored for easy access. Give it a click, and you'll see the list of invoices that are pending payment. Now, look through this list to find the specific invoice you need to void. Once you've located it, you'll notice an underlined invoice number. Click on this invoice number, which acts as a link to open the invoice in full detail. Just a quick note here. If the invoice you want to void has a payment applied to it, you must remove this payment before proceeding with voiding the invoice. To do this, scroll down to the bottom of the invoice page until you find the payment link. It's usually quite intuitive to find. Once you've located the payment link, click on it and you'll see an options menu. Clicking this will give you a few choices, including Remove and Redo. Select this option to remove the payment. Xero will likely prompt you to confirm this action, so just follow the instructions on the pop-up. If there are multiple payments associated with this invoice, you'll need to repeat this action for each payment until all are removed. With the payments cleared, focus your attention on the top right corner of the invoice page. You should spot a handy menu icon represented by 3 dots. Click this icon and you'll be presented with several options. From these, select Void. Finally, Xero will ask you to confirm your decision to void the invoice. In the pop-up window that appears, click Void to complete the process. And there you have it. Your invoice is now officially voided. By following these steps carefully, you'll ensure that the process is smooth and without complications. It's essential to make sure each action is confirmed as you proceed, especially when dealing with financial documents. Thanks for watching, and remember to check back for more straightforward advice on managing your Xero account efficiently.